guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you my December Scentsy Club unboxing. I am very excited about it. It just came in the mail yesterday. So without further ado, let's jump into it. If you are not familiar with what the Scentsy Club is, basically you can do a monthly, quarterly, and there's one other, I think it's like every other month, monthly, every other month, and a quarterly subscription. However you want to work it, you can do one or you can do all three. I know people who do both. And you just have a subscription of your favorite Scentsy bars. If you have a bar in your Scentsy Club, it will never go out of style. But basically, they will always make that bar for you, even if it comes out of the catalog. So that is a huge perk of it. I personally like to get my Scentsy Clubs put into my, or not Scentsy Club, my Scentsy Whiff box put into my Scentsy Club, just so I know I'm always getting it, because the Whiff box has been having exclusive items in it every month, and I'm very, very excited about it. I accidentally put the camera over here instead of over there, so if I accidentally look over here, my bad, because it's usually over there, but it's over here today. Okay. Anyways, that's neither here nor there, but that is essentially the gist of what Scentsy Club is. There are different perks for different spend levels. You get $8 flat rate shipping, which is a little shipping discount that you get. It's just, you know, stuff like that. So I will have a link down below if you're interested in learning more about Scentsy Club, but this is what I get monthly. So right now, I only have one bar in my Scentsy Club, and it is Meant to be Merry. This was the November scent of the month, and I am obsessed with it. So I wrote all of the scent notes and things down in my handy dandy notebook. This one is Crushed Candy Cane Sparkling Sugar Brighten a Creamy Butter Cookie. So basically, to me, it's just a super creamy, sweet, like cookie type peppermint. It's like a peppermint sugar cookie is basically what it reminds me of. And I love it so much. I believe there's actually a Bath & Body Works candle by the name Peppermint Sugar Cookie that I love, and this smells very, very similar to it. So I think that's why I just love that whole scent family. But this is the only one currently in my Scentsy Club. I had two others, but I took them out, so we're not going to talk about them. I felt like I didn't need them, you know? Anyways, so that is the one single bar that I have them sending me every month right now. And of course, the other thing that I've got is my Scentsy Whiff box. So very excited about this. Obviously, I've already opened it, but I wanted to share with you guys what is inside. So when you open it up, it looks just like this. They always have like a cute little card here. Hold on, let me do a little pose for the thumbnail. Okay. So it looks like that. This is the card for the thumbnail. I'm not going to show you because it has a spoiler on it. However, there is and has been a Scentsy Whiff box exclusive item for the past 3 months. So starting in November is when they introduced exclusive items that you can only get in the Whiff box. So that might be an exclusive scent. That might be you get an exclusive item in a scent that is available, but you can't get that item, if that makes sense. Like one month there was like a small Holly the Hippopotamus Buddy Clip. They have the Holly Hippo Buddy, but they don't offer the Buddy Clip. That was exclusive to the Whiff box. What was it last month? Oh, last month was Little Tuxedo. It was Baby Tux, a little penguin warmer. You can't get him but through last month's Whiff box, which is no longer available. And this month, the exclusive item, dun 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 dun, is Candy Cane Buttercream Poinsettia Fragrance Flower. So I love the fragrance flowers so much, and I love Candy Cane Buttercream. So this one is the Radiant Red Poinsettia. I have not had one of these, and the poinsettias are sold out on the website. So they were available, the poinsettias were, as a holiday collection item, but they sold out. So this is what the poinsettia looks like. And I'll just set this up with you guys because I do intend to put this out right now. I'm not just going to save it, you know? So basically what a fragrance flower is, if you are not familiar, is you have this little jar of oil and it will have whatever the scent is on the bottom. So if you forget, you can remember right there. But basically you open this bad boy up. Oh gosh. It's going to be, you know, like sealed so it doesn't leak in shipping. Give me a second here. Oh gosh. But you'll have the little jar, and then what you do is you open up the jar and you put the flower, you dip the little end of the flower into the jar, and it will suck up the fragrance oil inside of here and release it through the flower. I really enjoy these in my bathrooms, especially like the bathroom that doesn't have an outlet. Like in the master bathroom, we don't have an outlet. Because it's like the sinks and the outlets here, and then in the actual bathroom there is nothing. My hair is like so staticky right now. I don't know what's up. But I love it for that. I love it for like office spaces, you know, when you want to have something that smells good but you don't necessarily want to stink up everyone's space. You just want to keep it kind of contained to your area. Or if you don't have an outlet available to your desk because, you know, you had to plug in your computer, ugh, of all things. Just stuff like that. I just really, okay, for the love of, they really put this on here. But yeah, so I just really enjoy these fragrance flowers a lot. They work very, very well. And I usually get, I would say about a month worth of scent from it. Oh my God. I'm gonna have to like cut this or something. I don't know, dude. There we go. All right, finally, I got it. So this is the fragrance oil. As you can tell, it was very much a hot mess to get open. There will be a little stopper in it, and you do need to pull the stopper out in order to put the flower in, because the stem of the flower will not fit. This is the stem of the flower here, and you just literally, boop, pop it right in there. However, I skipped a step. You will have this really cute little silver knob that you just twist on so that it looks fancier. And ta-da! There you go. That is the Candy Cane Buttercream Fragrance Flower, which is exclusive to this month's Whiff Box, December 2023 Whiff Box. I can smell it already, and I'm like, ooh, girl. So, Candy Cane Buttercream is peppermint candy cane, vanilla bean, frosted with buttercream. Love this one so much. The scent itself is available in the current catalog. However, you will not be able to get it as a fragrance flower unless you get the Whiff Box. So that is the story there. That's the exclusive item for this month. And that retails for the poinsettia flowers retail for $16. So there's that. I don't know why I did that little hair flip, but I did. We're just gonna roll with it. Next up in the Whiff Box is a Polar Bear Hug scent pack. The scent notes on this are blackberry jam, caramelized brown sugar, vanilla, and amber. I love this scent. I know I love this scent. I have opened it and had it before in different bars. If you haven't had Polar Bear Hug, this was formerly known as Arctic Kiss. It is potato, but they changed the name. So that's what this is. So we got a scent pack in that, and that retails for $7. Next up, we got, this is not my favorite scent, but I kind of like it better in the Scentsy pods. It is cranberry candy cane. It smells better, I think, in the Scentsy pods than I enjoyed it in the wax, but we'll see. So this is cranberries and pomegranate swirled with peppermint sticks. And then the Scentsy pods are just great, honestly. I need to get one for my son's room. One of the little, I forget what they're called. That's not good. But anyways, I need to get one of the plugins that does the Scentsy pods for my son's room, just because he's an infant, right? And I don't want him getting into wax, the dog's getting into wax, none of that. So I just want to have something that'll just into the air. Okay. So there's that. It is a Scentsy pod 2-pack in cranberry candy cane that retails for $10. And last but not least, we got 2 bars in this month's Whiff Box. And the first one is Golden Garland, which is just available in the catalog now. I really like this one. actually a lot. It is forest pine needles, marigold petals, sparkling orange twist, and a touch of golden musk. So it's just kind of like a lighter twist on a Christmas tree. Like it's definitely a holiday scent, but it is almost kind of cidery with a little pine tree, and I like it a lot. Very much looking forward to melting this one, so very excited to have gotten that. And our bars retail for $6. Now this one is very exciting if you are not a consultant. If you are a consultant, you can get early access every month regardless of if you get the whiff box. However, this month, and it's not every month, so don't like get it twisted, but this month we got a sneak preview of the January 2024 scent of the month, which is going to be Candy Orchard. Very excited about that. So this will not be available until January 1st, but if you get the December whiff box, you get early access. My husband and baby are playing. Anyways, this is a very unique scent to me. It is a cloud of spun sugar with sweet raspberry and warm vanilla. It's almost like an adult cotton candy. Like you definitely get cotton candy, but then that vanilla that they throw in there, it kind of makes it like a cotton candy perfume. And I am very interested to see what this smells like melting. So that's coming for everyone else January 2024. But again, December whiff box, you get early access. And as I said, that retails for $6. So the whole value of this month's box, with the poinsettia, the pods, the 2 bars of wax, the polar bear hug scent pack, all of that together retails for $45. However, the whiff box is only $35. So that's like a $10 savings, which is very good in my personal opinion. Plus, I like being surprised, and you know they get me with the exclusive items. Like I love exclusive items. So yes, that is what I personally get in my Scentsy Club each month. I might be adding a few more bars to my Scentsy Club. We shall see. I need to make some decisions. So there is that. I'm trying to decide because I really, really love candy cane buttercream. So I'm trying to decide if I need to add that to my Scentsy Club or if I will be able to get by with just Meant to Be Merry. I need to make some decisions there. But anyways, so that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what your favorite item is down below, or what you're warming, or what, I don't know, your favorite scent is that's in the current catalog, or favorite scent of all time. Just, I don't know, start the conversation. I just love talking about all things wax, all things Scentsy. Ooh, here's a good one. Let me know what's in your Scentsy Club, or what would be in your Scentsy Club. And as always, my link for my website is down below, and I'll have the link for Scentsy Club as well if you're interested at all in signing up. But that is it for today's video. I hope you're having a great day, night, whenever you are watching this. If you are interested in wax or diamond painting videos, this is the channel for you. Please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time.